Hi everyone, good morning, happy Sunday. As you can see, it's Sunday and guess what? What is it today? Happy Father's Day, right? It's Father's Day. So for our specials for today, for our FB Live, okay, we're gonna be having, a special treat for our fathers. And guess what? My husband's really favorite merienda or snacks are what? Filipino snacks. What are your favorite?
Filipino boba tea and turon.
Of course, right? So for today, we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna show you how to make turon, one of the favorites of Filipinos. And of course, this really, it's summer now, so you need like cold drinks, right? So I'm gonna show you how to make the boba tea, okay? And of course, our Saving Your Future book, I'm gonna talk about one of the pages in our Saving Your Future book. So, okay, let us start. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna show you how to make is the turon. Are you ready? All right, let's get ready. Let's make some turon for today, all right? So cameraman, okay, I'm gonna need you. Here you go. All right, so for today, okay, so the ingredients that we're gonna need are, okay, for the turon is this one, okay, TYJ spring roll. You know how much this one costs? This is only $1.50, okay? And then, of course, special, this is an additional jackfruit and syrup at MT Supermarket, okay? This is just, I think, around $3, all right? And, of course, we call this saba, saging saba in Filipino, but this is what we call a sweet banana plantain, okay? But, there's like different versions of this one. Buy the sweet banana plantain, okay? This is only around $2, okay, by the way. But it's like one whole thing, like 20 pieces of banana that I bought, only for $2, okay? We're also gonna need brown sugar, right? So let's start, okay? So here you go. As you can see, the finished product is like this. And if you go to a Filipino, restaurant, one piece of turon costs around $1.50. And mind you, today, this whole thing, you're gonna be able to make 40 pieces of that, okay? And the total cost for everything that I have here is only about $10. So you save a lot of money, right? So this is how you make. You make the turon, right? So get your wrap, right? And then, put some brown sugar on your, by the way, split your banana like this, okay? Put your brown sugar in there, okay? And then put your jackfruit or langka in Filipino in there on top, okay? Close it like this, 1, 2, and then do it like that. Just make sure it's tight, right? It's tight, and then there you go. So done with one, all right? So there you go, okay? So now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna fry that, and of course the finished product is this one. So done, right? Very easy to make, turon, all right? Now let's work on our boba tea. By the way, okay, this one, okay? We went to an Asian restaurant yesterday, Vietnamese restaurant, okay? And I ordered boba tea there at Altor, okay? You know how much the boba tea was, like for a cup like this, okay? It costs like $4.50. Now here's the thing, okay? You're gonna be surprised. I bought this one. I saw this one yesterday at MT Supermarket, and I'm like, oh my God, that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, instant boba tea. Okay, very easy to make. You know how much this one costs? This one has like, I think it has 6 pieces. Okay, of boba tea, and this pack only costs $6. Right? And then of course, you need to have milk also with this one. Let me get the milk, okay? I forgot to get the milk. So I bought this milk here. I love unsweet milk, but this one is very healthy, okay? If you're afraid to gain weight because of milk, but this one, no, because it is unsweet, okay? So unsweet milk, I bought it at Walmart, okay? So I'm gonna also use this one for my boba tea, all right? So here's how we make the instant, as I said, instant boba tea, okay? So I froze this one, but it looks like this, right? You're gonna get that, and we're gonna microwave this one for how many minutes? About 45 seconds, okay? So let's go here, and I will put this in a container, okay? And just microwave it for 45 seconds, all right? So while we're waiting on that one, okay? Let me just wrap more turon, okay? So let's wrap more so you can see how we can make this one Put the jackfruit on top. Close it. Okay. Really tight. Usually I press my banana like flat like that. Okay. And there. Done. Right? There we go. Let's make some more. Okay. Make some more of that. See how easy that is, right? Very easy. Okay. Oops. Let me see what happened. I think that one. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. All right. Let's see what happened there. All right. Okay. Our boba tea is ready. Oops. Oh no. I think it exploded. Okay. My boba tea is ready. I'm gonna put this one in my, careful not to really overshoot it. Okay. I'm gonna pour this one in my cup. Okay. In my container like that. See how I overshoot it? Now it looks ugly. Oh my gosh, and then I'm gonna put the extra here because it exploded. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now, okay, here's your boba tea, right? So what you're gonna do is that this one already has sugar, okay? So you're just gonna put some milk on it, okay? Put some milk. As you can see, I still have not opened this one. Oh, wow, look at that. Okay. And then, let's put some ice, okay? So I'm just gonna fill it up with ice. Get some ice. Okay. Cameraman, are we doing good?
Yep.
Okay. You want to put some ice. Sometimes, you can also crush this ice and make it like a slushy, right? It's like a slushy matcha. I think this one, the flavor is I think the flavor is, my favorite is matcha, right? This is a matcha flavor, okay? There's different types of flavor. You want avocado, you want mango, chocolate, okay? So you choose. It's that empty supermarket, okay? So put a lot of ice, and I can put a little bit of water. You don't have to follow me, you can just stay there. I'm gonna put some water on it, right? There we go. And then of course they also already have this straw. Okay? So, this one, like I told you, this one costs about $4.50 at that Vietnamese restaurant. And I'm able to make like 6 of this here. So 6 times 6 times $4.50, that's a lot of money already, right? But this one is only $6. Okay? Plus this one is only about, I think, $4. So you save money, right? So imagine if you're always buying boba tea every day. That's a lot of money you can save if you just make your own boba tea, right? Or make your own turon, okay? So, now we can eat, right? And drink. No, but I forgot. This is for my husband because it's Father's Day. So now, we're going to talk about financial literacy, okay? So, as you can see, the title of my segment is Food and Financial Literacy. So for today, we save money, right? So where will I put that money? Where it's going to grow, okay? So we're going to talk about the rule of 72, right? So here, rule of 72, okay? Make sure you know this book. If you don't have this book yet, okay, ask me about this book. So what is this rule of 72, okay? This is the magic of compound interest. Okay, I don't know if you know about this rule, but this is very powerful, okay? So as you can see, it says here, okay, you take the number 72 and you divide it by the rate of return. So for example, your rate of return is 4%. Okay, you put your money where it's going to grow 4%. So 72 divided by 4, right? That's going to be 18 years. That means, okay, your money will double in 18 years, right? So if you put 10,000 in an account, okay, at age 29, and it's growing 4% compounding, then, okay, at 47, you have 20,000, and at 65, you have 40,000, right? So what if you're smarter, so you put your money in an 8% account, and so 72 divided by 8 is 9. That means every 9 years, your money doubles. So if you started at age 29 and started with 10,000 and just left your money there, right? Then at 38, you have 20,000. And at 65, you now have 160,000. So think about it, okay? If you're not putting away money that much and you're just putting away a little bit, right? Thinking of compounding interest at 65, would $160,000 be enough for your retirement, right? So just think about that, okay? I don't think so, because 160, that's only going to last you for 2 years for retirement, and then you're going to have to go back to work. So that means, a lot of people are not saving enough, okay, for retirement. So it pays really to save enough, and it pays really to save as early as possible, okay? What about if you put your money in 12%? That means your money will grow or double every 6 years, okay? So that means if you started at age 29, okay, you now have 640,000 at age 65. So that's the power of compounding interest, right? So that means if you think about this, okay, do not put your money where it's only, growing 4%. Make sure it's more than that, okay? Because okay, it says here, the rule of 72 unveils the powerful impact of compound interest. And also it reveals two types of people, okay? Because if you are also thinking about this also applies to credit card, okay? So think about this. If your credit card has a 28% APR or interest on it, right? And you're not paying it off, and that's why a lot of people cannot finish their credit card. So 72 divided by 28, that's 2.5. That means if you don't pay off your credit card debt, okay, every 2.5 years, that debt doubles, right? So that means you got to pay it off right away because you don't want that debt accumulating every 2.5 years, okay? So there's only two people if you don't understand that concept. People who don't understand how money works, they end up working for money, okay? And people who understand how money works, they let money work for them. So, right? So you want to be the second person, okay? So that's why it pays to learn all these concepts, okay? So you look at this. Wealthy people tend to spend time learning and understanding, okay, how money works. A lot of poor people lack knowledge about personal finance, okay? So compound interest works both ways. It can work for you and it can work against you. So it's very important to know about these concepts, okay? So again, Saving Your Future book. Make sure you ask me if you want a copy of this Saving Your Future book. All right? So that's all for now. I hope you enjoy, okay, the Turon, right? Turon, let's eat Turon. And of course, okay, my instant boba tea, matcha flavor, all right? I'll see you again next time on my next segment of my food and financial literacy. I think I have something really nice for you next time, okay? So we all have a happy Sunday. Again, happy Father's Day to everybody. Bye for now.